Convidamos neste momento o Sr. Josef da Tanaoi e Máquina Solo para a sua apresentação.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Josef from Tanaoi, Vice President Sales, and I'm very glad and proud to be part of your forum here in Brazil. I would like to talk to you about alternative fuel production and some trends related to that in our industry. Okay, now it's working. You see, alternative fuel preparation is quite a big issue already in the cement industry, especially for the purpose of energetic use. Tanaoi itself is a privately owned Finnish company founded in 1971, so already 50 years old. And we export these machines worldwide and have sales and service functions in more than 50 countries and 5 different continents. Tana's mission is to provide our customers with simply more money on the bottom line with our cutting-edge technology in solid waste management. Our main products are waste shredders, separation equipment like screens and compactors, and this technology is additional equipped with state-of-the-art control and remote monitoring systems. What are the current trends in this industry and how we can meet them in the alternative fuel production? These trends require following fuel. On one hand, it should replace expensive fossil fuels. Yeah, so for that reason, we need high quality fuel with mostly homogeneous particle size and consistent calorific value. On the other hand, there are more and more shifts towards to a more sustainable waste management system, so that the different waste materials out of the industry, out of other areas can be used, and within this waste streams it needs to be impurities removement in a few passes as possible. Additionally, the rapid urbanization in developing countries need to find a way to process mixed wastes efficiently and cost efficiently in form of producing these alternative fuels. The cost efficiency to produce alternative fuel depends on the technology you're using for that. On one hand, the number of machines you need for the process, the number of passes maybe you need to get the desired particle size. The capability and versatility of the used machines for different kind of input materials, because the current trend in the industry is to get more and more verifying waste materials into this alternative fuel production process. And for sure, the operating costs on the ends of the machines is heavily influencing that too. And how is the quality what is coming out on the end? How easily and how safe it can be used, that the fuel on the end does not affect in a negative way the quality of clinker or cement. How we can guarantee the constant supply of this kind of fuels, and what challenges these operators facing there. Yeah, on one hand, they need quite constant quality, so they need really kind of product out of this very inhomogeneous input materials. Then what kind of energy is available, emission regulations, which may be locally there, then in whole the operating costs, quality of the output material in form of consistent particle size, metal content, other impurities, and a stable process which you can calculate with to have uninterrupted fuel production. Here is an example, what you hopefully will see quickly in form of DDF production, so tire-derived fuel. In this case, it's a plant with 2 machines of Tana, so 50% poles, 85% tires. And you see that they have a high uptime, quite good, excellent productivity to get homogeneous particle size out for 80 millimeters up to 25 tons an hour in one pass with 109 millimeter rotor screen under a Tana shark. So this modern shredder technology brings a benefit for this operation. On one hand, with mobile shredders, so because they are very flexible, you easily can relocate them across the facilities, even if it is electrically mobile, for example, given, which we can provide to you too. So you eliminate the need all the time to move the whole waste close to the machine, so you save time and fuel and money again. And there is no need for intensive fixed production lines related. And especially when you go to other markets, or other input materials, it's much more easier to react on that. But in some areas, you are depending on limitations in form of lower emissions, low noise, and lower operating costs. Then it would mean that you most probably go for electrically powered shredders, and this will give you again less dependency on fossil fuels, and you will have quite continuous process to produce alternative fuels. Then here another example for the benefits. You see, great alternative use suitable on the secondary and the primary side of the cement kiln, save money more economically, and you can be quite good, safe products, and huge material is available worldwide. Additional, even urea usage is minimized by using TDF in your process. So this was a kind of overview what we can provide to you in form of this alternative fuel. The trend at the moment is still going on, and we have started and succeeded already in Brazil itself too, to give this kind of solutions to your customers, and we and from Tana, we wish you all the best in going further with this kind of technology. I hope I could quickly show you how we can deal in form of some short examples to get benefits out of these activities. I wish you all the best in that, and reducing greenhouse gases and less material onto the landfills and use it for energy purposes. Thank you very much for your attention. And again, have a great forum, have a great day. It was a pleasure to talk in this way to you. Thank you very much.